Hello there my friends, today we are going to change the batteries in a Volvo XC60 remote control key, fob, whatever you call it, remote control, remote. It's very easy. You'll need your battery, CR2430, your key and a screwdriver. So basically first thing you just pull out your key. This is the only thing I pull out ever in my life, if you know what I mean. And after that you will need your screwdriver and just put it in this hole. That's what he said. You put it in the hole that you got your key out, and you just slightly push it up and your key fob will open. You pull it out and here is your battery. And I'm pretty, let me see, like this. And let's see the old one, also Philips 2430. Usually these batteries last for about 4 years in normal weather, also winter and summer and all that sorts of stuff. And this packaging is very annoying. And here we have our new battery. This face up, and you just put the key back in its place and voila, pretty simple process. Hope you find this video helpful, my friends. Subscribe if you like, and yeah, have a great one. Bye.